Hey y'all, welcome back to Faux and Fabulous Fridays. I had to put you guys onto this wig immediately. When I tell you, this was one of the quickest installs I've ever done on this channel. Like, truly throw it on and go status. And I know we're always on the hunt for an easy, beginner-friendly synthetic wig that looks natural, still gives texture, still gives grown women, and I really feel like we found her. So go ahead, get comfortable because this install is fast, simple, and no effort. The wig I'm installing today is Sensationnel Curls and Kinks Y-Part Kinky Roller Set wig in 18 inches. On the inside it has combs, an adjustable band, and what I really appreciate is that this is glueless, which means there's no wig cap required if you don't want one. And listen, the less steps, the better. Now let's talk about the curls, because baby, that is what sold me, okay? The texture is very much kinky straight, blown out, type 4 vibes. It doesn't look silky, it doesn't look shiny, it doesn't scream synthetic. Now, it does come with kinky edges, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of. Before doing anything permanent, I always try on the wig straight out the pack. This helps me see how it's gonna sit on my head, how thick it really is, and whether the picture on the stock card is lying. First thing I'm doing is addressing those kinky edges. I'm going in with my hot comb, focusing on the edges and the top near the part. I do not recommend turning your heat up too high because this is synthetic hair and you don't want to completely flatten it and end up with two totally different textures going on. I also lightly pluck the edges, nothing crazy, no perfect pattern, just thinning it out a bit so it looks more natural. This step is completely optional, but you know, customization is always what takes away from okay to yeah, that's my hair. For the lace, I'm using my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in level 14 and of course my holy grail pinking shears to cut the lace. If you're still cutting lace straight across in 2026, please free yourself. Okay, the pinking shears make the hairline look so much more seamless and blend so much better. To secure the wig, I used a lace melting spray I grabbed from the TikTok shop. I applied 2 layers and normally this works best with glue, but I wanted to test it on its own and honestly, it held up really well. Once it dried, I tied my wig band on and went ahead and did my makeup. Here you can kind of see what I meant earlier about the textures. There's a slight difference between the hot comb area and the curls, but it's very subtle and it still blends and looks realistic. All right, y'all, we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my makeup real fast because we gotta cover up this, whatever this thing is, I don't know. But yeah, I think it's looking okay so far. I do feel like, I don't know, it looks, I don't know, they did something to this. We're gonna figure out what they did, but I definitely know I need to separate it, but I don't know, I just can't believe this is just separation, but that's just me. I'm just a girl. This is gonna be a quick install. We love quick install. Makeup is done, wig is looking good, but I did go back in with a little bed head right on the hairline just to give that extra melt. There is some parting space, so I decided to give myself a deeper side part, and I was a little nervous about disturbing the curls, but they blended right back in with no problem. For separating the curls, I took my time and was very gentle. These aren't hard set curls, so you don't want to rush or be aggressive. Slow and easy is the key here. I added a little foundation to the part to really define it, fluffed it out, and that is literally it, y'all. This is the final look, guys. This literally took no time at all. My makeup literally took longer than it took for me to install this wig. Y'all, this wig is so stunning. It looks so natural. I really wish I would have gotten like my new color. I'm a color 4 now. I don't know if they had that, but I really got to get my wigs in a color 4 because then it's really gonna be like, oh, that's your hair, girl. Your hair grew. Yes it did. I was like really worried about this part situation. I thought the curls weren't gonna like, you know, mold together since these are going this way, these are going this way, but it doesn't look bad at all. You can honestly not even really tell like what's going on. And this wig is so thick. It's the like this really gives natural blown out horsey hair. Bruh. I don't feel like it looks like the picture, but I'm honestly not mad at that. I think it would look more like the picture if I combed it out. Everything just looks kind of put together and longer. It's supposed to be 16 inches. I feel like this is longer than 16 inches. Or I feel like this is longer than 16 inches. I feel like here it's regular, but also it could be, you know, her head, her neck, whatever. Before you leave, of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you see, and I'm not even going to it, like, hello. Share this with your homeboys, homegirls, family, friends, aunties, uncles, cousins, the whole lot, your co-workers, the lady next door, like whoever you gotta share with, share it with them. Why wouldn't you? Why would you gatekeep this? You see how I don't gatekeep? Y'all need to stop gatekeeping, all right? Share this video. Share it. That is gonna be it, y'all. Thank you again for watching. If you're as obsessed with this wig as I am, please hit that description box below. Hit it right now. Link is there, all right? Get you one ASAP in all the colors, every single one. Tell Sensational they did their fizz naive with this one, and the words of Scrappy. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.